In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Google Chrome. If your Chrome browser is currently using a dark theme and you'd prefer the standard light appearance, don't worry. This is a very simple setting to change, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the main menu and settings area. If Chrome is already open, you can simply use the window you have in front of you. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find several options related to browsing, customization, and browser controls. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Chrome, where you can adjust the way the browser looks and behaves. If you don't see everything right away, that's completely normal, since Chrome has a lot of categories listed in the settings area. Next, find and click on Appearance. This section is where Chrome keeps visual customization options, including the browser theme and display style. If your browser is currently appearing dark, this is the right place to change that. Now, in the Appearance section, look for the Mode setting and select Light Mode to disable dark mode. Once you choose Light, Chrome should switch away from the dark appearance and return to the brighter default look. This change usually applies right away, so you should be able to see the difference immediately. If the browser still appears dark after selecting Light Mode, give it a second and make sure the setting was applied correctly. In some cases, system-wide theme settings can also affect how Chrome looks, so it helps to confirm that you selected the light option directly in Chrome's appearance settings. And that's it. That's how to turn off dark mode in Google Chrome. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Settings, open Appearance, and choose Light Mode. If you found this helpful, you can replay the steps and follow them again anytime you need to switch your browser back to a lighter theme.